This my sister. You would think she did do why they suspect.
What is she do?
I don't know if this my sister they do hookup or for night she go come out for night, come back with plenty things. This cap why we and she buy am for me. So I want to know if we can prank her.
I'm serious about this really.
No, I'm very no
How
jokes
long you
apart.
don't notice her?
Let me say 1 month now. So I want to know if she's into hookup. So how do we do it? Like how can you help me so that I will verify?
This one no go really easy, but okay, see, I don't know whether you go workshop. Mo just try am this way. See what you go happen. You go give me your sister number.
No go, no go, no go, shy cow.
Why did
No
you
be
like
again.
this? Now just to
Yeah.
find out. See, okay, you give me your sister number.
Okay.
I go just call her. Ask her where she is. She's there Lagos like
She yes now she's at
I just
home.
call her, know where she is. If I go fit go see am from here now. Okay, I go even call am right now. I'll call her, ask her where she is. Whether she go fit come out. If now really hook up girl, I will use money entice her. Like give her
What
big
if
offer.
she asks you where you get her number from?
Leave me make her worry about that one.
Ah,
Make her worry about that one. So just give me the number. So but you no go show face now till I call you out, I beg. May you no cast this thing, I beg. Let's say your blood to the rush.
I beg. Since I the suspect, she even buy take away mega chicken yesterday night. So yeah,
You dey collect.
why not go collect? But I want to know if she's. I have asked her several times, but she said that she's not doing it. So I want to verify. Take.
I did not be there. Yeah, I'm calling now. I just
Put
push
it
it.
on last speak out.
Okay, he's on speaker. Hello. Good afternoon.
Increase the
I want you to be hearing me. Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yeah, who is this?
My name is Daniel. I actually wanted. I actually got your number from a friend, so I don't know. I want to see you. That's why. Nothing serious. Just like help. I don't think that really necessary. But when you see me, I think we've met before. Alright, when I come, I'll explain everything to you. But I just want to see you. Okay, see.
I know they want to kill me.
Alright, see. I have an offer for you. I got your number from my friend. He said you're actually into. You understand now, but I'm going to pay you.
About
Okay, let's say 50,000.
for what?
Um,
Let's make it
100,000. Where's your location? Where are you right now?
I'm Yes, MRS.
MRS. I think I know. They're around Apple Junction Azix.
Yeah,
All right,
that's
all right. So I should come to MRS filling station then. All right. So the next 5 to 10 minutes, I will be there.
Please don't waste my time.
No, sure. I'm not wasting your time. I'm driving, so I'll be fast. All right, all right. See you soon. All right.
Jesus.
Calm down
She
now.
said 100,000.
Calm down. More they go.
See, I swear to God, I the reason this thing.
See,
I think she will be.
see what you go do for me. I don't see your blood on the hot. Just stay for car.
Jesus.
If I go drive you
Miracle.
go that place, but just stay for car until I call you come outside. I beg, me no cast this thing. I beg,
She dey whine you.
I'm gonna go.
She dey whine. You go see and she no go come out.
She must come. I won't go.
I'm still shocked.
Hello, I'm at that estate in MRS now. Okay, you're coming outside. Alright, I'm outside already. See, guy.
Waiting to.
When they come outside, see, go ahead. I beg, go back seat. That my glass they tinted, so you need to see from there. I beg, go back. Come on, you said go hide. I beg. Hi, Miracle, right? Yeah, I was the guy that called you some minutes back. All right, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you
Or do
too.
you mind if I hold you?
Okay.
So, because I know what spoke on phone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you ready for it right now?
Okay, so how do we start?
I think maybe my car. Let's start with my car.
In your car?
Yeah.
Ha. I thought you were going somewhere, maybe somewhere nice or something.
I want to go out first.
Okay, anyhow. So are you doing the transfer or?
I want me to do the transfer first.
Yes.
Alright, let me bring my phone. My phone is inside the car.
Okay.
Come outside.
Miracle. So this is true. Wait. Come. Miracle, come here. So this is
Calm down, calm down.
So this is true.
Calm down.
This is what you do in Lagos, right?
Calm down.
I know how I brought you.
Calm down now. Don't start. Calm down. Nobody to agree with this. You just want confirm. Calm down.
Wait, see, don't tell me. See, this is what you do.
Calm down now. Calm down.
What did you just do?
This is my sister.
I know now. You told me.
Miracle.
I can explain. It's not what
What do you mean? What do you mean? Wait, what do you mean? You came to Lagos to do hookup, right?
Relax now.
Can you imagine?
Relax. No. See, now you don't confirm. See, now just to confirm. Now you go. Now waiting you go feel settled with her. Now your younger sister. You know as when you settle with it.
actually what you like. This is what you.
You are still talking.
Stop now.
You're even bargaining price.
Why they talk like this? Try to bargain the price.
Maybe what you tell
I
you.
know they ready to pay that money. Now just to confirm. Now why you don't shout? They shout. I'm waiting that your sister. Now waiting go just cool down. Me now.
Jesus.
See, this is not what you think.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
This guy is a very
fool.
fit.
You came outside to come and see me.
like
I heard the call.
Don't do
it's not
that.
what you
I was with him when he called
You're
you.
trying to complicate issues here.
No,
Like,
big-
how can you do this? Are you okay? Like, are you okay?
Why will you be doing hookup? Why are we doing hookup?
You don't have money to call price for him. You are doing hookup of 100,000. Look at you. You don't even finish your school.
Stop now. Stop. I don't like this.
I've been suffering to pay her school fees.
Stop.
Now that you have been doing hookup, have you paid your school fees?
Wait, now stop. You're saying I'm a big
You're
fool.
a very stupid boy.
Me?
I will slap you.
You slap me.
See. No.
You slap me.
I want them to see. I will meet you at home. Don't worry. See, come and take me here. I want to go out there.
They say you should go to school. You're doing hookup.
You're mad. You're very stupid.
You're still talking.
Leave him now. Why did you like this?
Can you imagine?
Don't move the go.
So you don't be begging. You're telling me I'm a big fool, Abi?
No.
You don't even pay your school fees. You are doing hookup in Lagos.
You see how much?
Mom still go hear us. Mom still go hear us. Say what they do for Lagos.
Me.
Rubbish.
So you're saying to collect 100K. You're meant to be in school. You're meant to be in school. You're here doing hookup. You want to collect 100K. 100K you not work for.
Get out of here now.
You know spoil my motor. I better go. It's not like auntie.